So hello, this one is going to be about saving the spreadsheet as another file type, and we're not going to go through all of these, I think, but we'll just see how the options are. And what I've done in the previous videos, we've created a new spreadsheet, and that has been saved under a variety of names on the desktop. If I just show you the desktop, these are the new ones we have, and I actually have new old open from the previous video, which is perfect for what we need. And the way you save a workbook under a different type is you go into File, Save As, so far you know this part, and instead of an Excel workbook you pick something else. So this one, let's say CSV, which is comma delimited, and you can keep the name if you want, you can change the name if you want, it doesn't matter, and then you just say save. Now it will warn you that if you save into certain formats, specifically things like CSV or text, you are going to lose certain functionality, so you may want to reconsider. At this stage your file has already been saved, so if you want you can just ignore this and keep working. And you'll see if I go back onto my desktop, you now have a CSV file here. And on older versions of Excel, what you might need to do is pretty much identical, go into Save As, and instead of having this, which doesn't exist in versions before 2016, I think, you will just see this one coming up, and in your drop down you can pick PDF or text or anything you actually want to do. For most of the other ones like XML, if you know what XML is, you're probably not watching this. So that's the overall idea of saving as a new format. And the next one is going to be switching between open spreadsheets, so keep watching. Thank you.